guys, it's the Sticks. How you guys doing? Today I'm in Anaheim, California, over right now at downtown Disney, where I seem to live half the time. I don't know why, I guess best I can do. But right now we're actually gonna try an experience right now that not everyone has ever done, and we're gonna try it because we're crazy and dumb. Okay, we're at the Void here at the downtown Disney Resort. The Void is actually a three-dimensional and immersive experience. We can actually pretend to be you're in the Star Wars universe. This will be the first time we're gonna try it, and then it's gonna cost like a bunch of money to get in, so you guys have to be ready to pay for it. But we're gonna go check it out right now. We'll see what it's like, and you guys come take a look with us. So let's take a look. Come on. The Void is an acronym of the Vision of Infinite Dimensions. It's what's known as a location-based entertainment center. It's a place where you, the visitor, can use VR hardware combined with motion tracking, haptic feedback, interactive sets, and real-time visual effects systems to explore and interact with a virtual world within specifically designed environments. Think of it like the most awesome first-person shooter game you've ever played. Working alongside with Lucasfilm, the group created a unique immersive attraction called Star Wars: Secrets of the Empire, a new interactive experience that brings visitors into the Star Wars universe. It was created by ILM X Lab, a new visual effects laboratory for immersive entertainment. It combines the talents of Lucasfilm, Industrial Light and Magic, and Skywalker Sound to reinvent the way stories are told and experienced, connecting artists with their audience like never before. A great example of their work is shown in Steven Spielberg's new film, Ready Player One. And with the new Void experience located in downtown Disney in Anaheim and at Disney Springs in Orlando, this gives visitors the chance to immerse themselves into the Star Wars universe like never before. To make it more fun for both Alice and myself, we brought along two of the biggest Star Wars fans we've ever known. Risabella and Tony were totally surprised when we walked into the place, which was the plan. And the plus side was that Risabella never heard of the place. You should have seen the look on her face. Okay, enough chit-chat. So here's what's going on. The planet Mustafar. Your mission is to recover Imperial intelligence vital to our survival. You'll go in disguise. You must not be discovered. But most of all, you must be careful. For what you may learn could be a threat to our very existence. So after going through this experience and finally seeing what this thing is all about, I gotta tell you, this is actually really cool to check out. I've never experienced anything like this before, and I really look forward to really coming back here and checking it again. So I tell everybody, come and check it out, see it for yourself. But then here's the thing: I'm a Star Trek fan. Say, born and raised, don't know what else to say. So you don't have to take my word for it. You know, I just said this is what my friend has to say.
Hey guys, Risabella here. Ting! I had the absolute pleasure to experience something amazing, and I'm going to review it. I got to go to an amazing VR experience called Star Wars: Secrets of the Empire. Such an awesome, super dope experience. So you start off just by entering the space. It's really, really, really cool to look at. There's a giant lettering where it says the Void, and inside that is there are televisions that show off, you know, what you're about to experience. Further in, once you're about to start, you sign in and you put in your name and information, and you sign a waiver, and after that you're led into another room. Okay, that's where the fun begins. Everybody's acting as if we are in space and we're part of the rebellion, which is awesome, and we get to go in as undercover stormtroopers, which, I mean, who wouldn't want to do that, right? I mean, it's super cool. Okay, so then we get in there and we get to choose the color of our gear so that we can tell each other apart, of course. And there's a giant TV screen, and there are four little computers that that's where you choose your colors and whatnot. And then there's another person, again in character, telling us what we have to do, and we watch this video. So then you get done with all that, choosing the colors of your Stormtrooper gear and whatnot, and then we were led to a different room. So we put all our crap in lockers. They suggest taking off our sweaters and any loose items like hats and bags if you're a woman and you have a purse, because we all have purses, obviously. Anywho, you have a locker. They give you a locker, and then we lock that up, and then they file us where there's this line of VR gear. Now this is amazing, and it's so cool to see. So you get in there, and then they strap you in. You got these really cool backpacks, and the VR helmets, of course, which are super high tech, like super duper amazing. They tell you how to use the VR equipment and whatnot, and then we head out to a different room where they explain to us what we're supposed to do, how we're supposed to act, how we're supposed to, you know, control the volume and all that business and whatnot. And then the fun begins. So you go in, and once you have all the gear in, you're with your friends, and you can see them through the VR as Stormtroopers. That's the cool part, is it looks really real. It looks super like real. Like, it's just obviously, well, it's VR. It just looks amazing. You know, you could hear each other talk because there's microphones and all that business, and then we get into the room, and then you get the best VR experience you've ever experienced. You feel things. The heat, you feel like you're like literally standing on platforms, and you feel like you're gonna fall, and you go through these little mazes, and you have to play little games and codes and pull levers, and when you get shot at, you actually feel the bullets hit you because of the gear that you're wearing. You feel all that. It's just amazing. It's a fun time, guys. It's a real fun time, and then the best part is, spoiler alert, if you don't want to know who's in this, then I suggest you skip the video and enjoy the rest of the video. But I'm about to give you the juicy bit. You get to confront Darth Vader, of all people. So he's coming at you, right? And it is so intense. You really feel like he's coming to you. As you shoot him in the beginning, he's just like bouncing them suckers left and right with his lightsaber. It's the most epic thing you will ever see or feel. It just feels so real when he starts coming at you, and you're just like, oh my god! We're all freaking out, like, oh, he's gonna kill us. He's gonna kill us, because he's really gonna kill us. And it all happens under like 15 minutes. And it's, I mean, let me tell you, it's 15 minutes worth your money, because it is the most fun that I had in such a short period of amount of time, honestly. It's so cool. And then you get these like little wristbands that say Rebel and your name, and it's you know, it's just, the whole experience is super fun, super cool to do, and I completely 100% suggest going and doing it for yourself, because honestly, you will have a blast, and it's worth the money. It really is. I don't know how much it cost, because my kind friend paid for it. Stix, your host, paid for it, but it's worth it. It's so worth it. So yeah, go ahead and try out the Void, and it's located downtown Disney. I'm sure you know that already. Stix, pretty sure he explained all that for you. But yeah. Definitely a must-do. Would recommend 100%. Go and do it, guys. Alright, that's all I got for you. So that's my little tidbit there. You guys enjoy the rest of the video. Take it away, Stix.
I swear I'd adopt this girl if I can only afford her allowance. If you want to know more about Risabella, you'll find a link to her YouTube page in the description below. Okay, so as I finish my day out here, and then we try to get away before I spend more money in this place and never want to leave again, I just want to tell everybody, I think it's worth checking out. Come and see it for yourself, and I don't think you guys will be disappointed in it. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. And like I tell everybody, I don't know where my adventure is going to take me, but I hope you guys join me for the ride. See you guys next time. These crazy people, how can I live without them? Well, yeah, look, she's all decked out in Star Wars stuff. Look at her, see? She's all cool. She's way ahead. She didn't even know she was coming here today, and she's all prepared. Why? Because that's how cool she is.
I'm psychic.
Yeah. You see, the rest of us suck. So it's like, you know, I can't help it. I don't know. Huh? I got a Star Wars. Yeah, I got a Star Wars shirt. Look, I got a Star Wars shirt.
That
Look.
should have been the giveaway.
Yeah, that should have been right there. See? I guess see, because you have it, because you don't, because you're not cool.